A powerful aspect of this self-help is using the fingers and using finger positions to help particular issues. Now I would like to show you a mudra, which is a finger pose or finger position that helps us exhale so that we can empty our vessel and then we can receive the inhale, we can receive the pure energy. It is powerful and it is very simple. So this is how you practice this mudra. You place your thumb under your middle finger so that your thumb is at the base of your middle finger, and then you wrap the rest of your fingers around the middle finger. Relax the hands and just close your eyes. So this finger position helps us exhale. It helps the eyes and it helps when we're frustrated. It also helps us make decisions when we are procrastinating. So it is a really lovely mudra or finger position to start a practice with. So once we've exhaled, we can now switch the thumb to the back side of the middle finger so that the thumb is at the base of the middle finger, and then wrap your hands around the palm side of the middle finger, and this helps our inhale. So by exhaling and then inhaling, we are actually practicing a complete exercise just with these two finger positions. So this position also helps our ears, helps our hearing, helps our feet if they are bothering us. And it also helps us be more alert. So a complete exercise: first exhale, then inhale. A complete exercise for calm and balance.